A parade of suspected criminals and hoodlums is one activity which Lagosians and indeed members of the public look forward to on a regular basis. And this is one thing which is regularly done at the Lagos State Police Command headquarters here in Ikeja, the Lagos State capital, where we presently are. My name is Damlari Okonla, and you're watching Busted on 9.com TV. In today's edition of Busted, there is something really interesting which Lagosians and of course bankers may be interested in. There's this young man behind me here who has been confirmed to be a medical doctor. He's a professional hacker at the same time. He was trained in Canada, and of course these cars that are standing by my right were stolen by him through the professional hacking means. We're going to try to talk to him and of course to find out how he does his business, why he started this business, and of course his reason for doing all of this.
On 23rd 3/2018, my office received a complaint that there exists a syndicate that goes to car shops to buy exotic cars. They thereafter configure a computer program that will send a fake payment alert to the seller. The seller, upon receiving this alert, verifies the alert either through ATM or through internet banking, confirms the alert, and then releases the car to the syndicate. This was exactly the case with one Abiogun Adewale, whose car shop played host to the leader of this syndicate, whose name is Michael Thompson Williams. He bought a Porsche car at a whooping price of 28 million naira. He thereafter requested for the seller's bank account number and originated a fake alert to the phone of the seller using the http://tunnel.com. The car dealer, upon receiving the alert and verifying the alert, now handed over the Porsche car valued at 28 million to the suspect. And the suspect drove away with the vehicle. However, when the car dealer eventually now went to his bank for his statement of accounts subsequently, it was discovered that that alert and transfer of 28 million naira to his account was only a fake electronic transfer, and that money did not actually register in his account.
My name is Williams.
Speak out.
My name is Williams.
Williams what?
Williams Michael. I was born 1990, January 1st.
Where are you from, please?
I'm from Nigeria.
What part of Nigeria are you from?
I'm half Delta, half Igbo.
Okay. We learned you are a doctor. Is it true that you are a medical doctor?
Yes.
We also learned that you were in Canada sometimes. Can you tell us your journey to Canada?
I was pushed out of work, so I got a visa traveling back to
Where? Which work? Where did you work first? Where and where have you
medical
worked?
center.
Where and where have you worked?
I worked in 3 hospitals.
Where and where?
Tolu Medical Center,
1,
Eco Hospital,
2. So what happened?
Sunday Specialist.
What happened?
It's just Nigeria. When they see you're better, they just look for a way to push you out. I'm not worth any money.
How much have you made?
Don't have an idea.
Okay, let's quantify it. How many millions have you been able to recover?
I still don't have an idea.
Is it up to 50 million, 100 million, 200 million?
That's why I said I still don't hold an idea.
Let me help with the questions.
Okay.
Please listen to these questions. You have given us your background. Now we want just a very brief, very short. How do you create your account abroad to enable you generate this alert that is accepted here?
It's about software made easily online, and when you are a hacker, everything is like as if you just sweep in the ground. It's very easy. Creating a credit card, get old credit cards online, create them and fund them. Wait for when you monitor your mails and wait for when any transaction is coming in on the Swiss code account. Maybe anybody making a $1 million transaction or above, or 200 million or $1 billion, then you divert it online, then you secure your securities, then you fund it on your credit card. After funding it on your credit card, then you can use your credit card to buy any kind of powerful software you want online. You can do anything online, anything valuable, anything.
These are some of the cards he has been able to get.
Merci.